Monday morning, truck all packed. There's only batteries riding in the back. Coffee in the cup, highway rolling free. Digby's calling out to me. Scallops on the supper plate. No reason that I have to wait. One more trip before summer's gone. Nova Scotia keeps me moving on. 2 ferries to Brier Island, where Captain Cook once came ashore. The tides keep turning, gulls keep calling, makes me wanna wander more. Life gets better mile by mile. Every back road makes Dave smile. A little drone up in the sky, watching the Bay of Fundy fly. Victoria's coming for the ride. Sam beside her full of pride. Elaine is laughing in her seat. Family makes the trip complete. We'll stop in Digby, eat our fill. Seafood fresh and Dave's got the bill. Then we'll chase another view. That's just what the Fischers of Nova Scotia do. Someday soon I'll launch my drone from my place right to the lake alone. Just for fun, no race to win. The best adventures always begin with an open road. 2 ferries to Brier Island, salt air blowing through my hair. Every shoreline tells a story, you can almost feel it there. Scallops, family, ocean breeze, simple moments are the best of these. If tomorrow brings another mile, I'll be driving with a smile.